Initially, when we went through training, a lot of people were really excited. They'd never seen anything like it. We ran them through the basics of, without any technology, how to do a search. But then when we brought in the Scott site, what we saw was marked improvements in search techniques, capabilities, and drastically reduced our times for clearing an entire building. As a fire chief, when you invest in major technology upgrades, you want to prove to your citizens and to the powers that be that you made a good investment. So we had two saves since we've deployed the Scott packs with the Scott sites. The first one, what was remarkable to me is the crew said that they could walk in, they saw the crew, they saw the hose, they saw the door, they saw all the chaos of the fire scene, and were able just to reach down and grab the victim and take them out. So the second rescue we got was in a building, a hoarder home, and what caught someone's eye was a low temperature on the Scott site. They went over it and actually realized that with the fire conditions, that low temperature was a body. That was a person that we brought out. They were revived on scene, and that's a second successful save. And that one, I would say, directly correlates to having the technology. If there was only one person with a handheld thermal imager, it could have been missed. When we decided to put a Scott sight on every mask, that means that there's more opportunities for people to see things. When we consider everything that has to be done on a fire ground, having your hands tied up with a tick, that's a tool that you're not using, that's, you're not maintaining an awareness in some way, shape, or form. So with it being hands-free, that's just one more thing that we don't have to worry about. We almost refer to it in our own department as augmented reality. You have the ability to look at it when you want to, but if you don't want to look at it, you can just look straight out your mask and see the blank smoke like we're used to seeing for years. I would say you need to use it. For us, it's resulted in 2, possibly 3 saves. The fact is, if you don't use the technology, it's never going to progress, and you're never going to be able to claim that we've helped progress the fire service beyond the old days of how we were doing things.